Let's do this.
Here I am at Cool As Hot Rods with Brad Powers. He's happily going to show me around this morning. Got on you, Brad. You're a champion, mate. And wait till you see what Brad's got going on in here. He's got a cool workshop, and he's got the motor trimmers, and he's got plenty of cars we can go and check out. So let's go and find out what's going on. It's Cool As Hot Rods in Tuggerah.
8, 7, 6, 5. Let's do this.
Brom's Garage Crawl! Let's do this!
How's this? An EH with a Chevy engine going in. A little small block. Fantastic. That's going to be alright, isn't it? Cool looking wheels. Paint looks really good. Wow, it looks like it's all new. It's fucking great. Yeah, that's going to be a showstopper. Good on you, mate. Whoever owns that. Brad's doing a good job for you, buddy. Alright. Hard to identify what that is, but it's a sedan delivery of some description. That's going to be cool. It's a weapon. It's got a couple of new roof sections put in, a new frame inside. That's going to be awesome. Oh, it's got a donk in there. Bloody fantastic. There's a little red motor sitting there. Or a fat Ford of some description. There's like Mercury, 49 Mercury maybe, 50?
55 DeSoto.
55 DeSoto. Wow, it's a cool looking thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gee, it's a great shape. Chopped roof.
No, Hemi car.
A
Runner.
Hemi car. Fuck yeah. Runner. How cool is that? Is the motor okay in it?
Yeah, motor's good.
Ah,
It's a good runner.
yeah. Gee, it's a good looking thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
2-door.
2-door, yeah.
Wow, unreal. An Effie.
Old F truck, yeah.
Oh, Effie. They're getting rare too. Find a decent one. So what are we working on here? What's Chuck working on?
Jack.
Jack.
The HJ or Z or something. Prep.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The body rester.
Yeah, it's going to be all right.
Yeah.
New front clip on it. Good stuff. How's it coming along, mate? You going to get there all right?
Hopefully.
Yeah, no, it's going to be all right, eh? All right.
EH wagon. LS.
Unreal.
Came from another shop that we're never going to finish it.
Right.
It moved, so we took it on.
Unreal.
We've just got the body finished now.
These are a great shape. I love these, eh? I remember going through Warringah Mall as a kid. I would have been about this big, and I saw one of these with like the daisy shape wheels that come out. When I thought that's the best car I've ever seen in my life. Eh? They're so cool.
67 Barracuda Gasser. It's one of mine.
Far out, mate. In hot pink.
Pink and silver metal flake it will be, yeah.
Far out, mate. That's a weapon. What are you going to run in that?
It's got a 600 cube blown injected methanol big block shed.
Yeah, that should pull it along all right. Far out, mate. That is so cool. Good stuff. Good stuff. Musk pink. Is that what it is? Like
Yeah.
mustic pink.
Pink Panther, I think.
Oh, Pink Panther. That's a great name for a colour. What's this, a caddy, is it?
60 model Cadillac. Yeah, it's had everything. Floors, sills, everything was chopped out. You still have to
Oh, you can still see, yeah.
still going there.
Wow.
But everything, 8 pillars have been rebuilt. Everything.
Amazing.
Sort of ready for the wreckers, but we've saved it.
Worth saving.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
XB coupe or XA?
XA.
XA coupe.
Yep. It's another one.
Fuck, I like these.
Sort of nearing
This is-
the body.
This is my soft spot. My Achilles heel, I reckon. I love them. That's nice and straight. You got it just about there, mate.
Yeah.
The old Charger.
Yeah.
Late model one, is it?
I don't know. It's 73, I think. We've just assembled it. It came in as a shell painted 20 years ago.
Yeah, the paint looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah. Got an unusual vinyl roof.
On the
package.
roof, yeah, isn't it? 770. Yeah, cool.
Yeah. EK with FB trim.
Geez, I like the wheels.
Yeah, it was started.
Kragers.
Majority of it was done at another shop. We just doing here to finish the trim and get it running and doing whatever else we got to do. It's got an injected 5 litre in it.
Injected 5 litre, fantastic. They go right, those 5 litres, don't they?
Yeah.
I like them. And we got the old ice cream truck. That's yours, you said.
Morris J van.
Isn't that great, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you've done some bit of reframing in there.
It's on an L300 chassis.
Okay.
The jag rear end. It's got a mid-mounted injected 350 in it.
Unreal. Yeah, it's going to be super cool.
Yeah.
This is going to be the shop delivery.
Yeah, something like that.
Lunch gathering in a bit. And the old 36 Ford convertible, that's in. So you got that nice and straight, ready for paint.
Yeah, down there.
Just about there. And a blown Chevy.
Blown injected 350, yeah.
That'll pull it along all right, won't it?
Yeah.
Far around. Unreal. What colour's this going to be, do you know?
That blue on the firewall.
Oh, there it is, yeah. Was there... Went to tail draggers. Was there a blue 36 convertible there? Well, I can't remember. Might have been. Anyway, it looked great.
Yeah.
Looked bloody fantastic.
And this thing's just an insurance job. It's a 47 shirt pickup or ute.
Right.
Here's the front.
Oh,
The front off it. It's got a
wow, it's got all the shit, hasn't it?
LS motor and all the
Wow.
late model stuff. You know, the aircon and
Yeah, right. Yeah,
the steering,
fantastic.
all the creature comforts.
I love it. All right. Someone's going to make it look fantastic again.
Stick around.
Yeah, it's a genuine VC Brom, so it's just in for a bit of a tidy up on a few things.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
This has got to be rare now, do they?
Yeah. Not my flavour, but
Yeah.
somebody.
No, I've never. I had one for a little while, but that drove nice.
Yeah.
When I was panel beating, we did a lot of rear guards. That was the thing
Yeah.
we did at the time. A lot of that.
Combi van was just in for rust, so we're just waiting on a headlight for it now.
Honk if parts fall off. That's a good idea. Yeah, right, yeah.
Yeah, so we'll end up respraying it for him one day.
Right, yeah. Same colour?
I think so, yeah. Mini's in for a retrim.
Right.
Yeah, started that yet. XT1000,
I love this shape.
Yeah, we did this a few years back and the car went back to the owner and it's come back for us to trim it now and
Wow.
finish
Jeez,
it.
it looks good.
Yeah. It's had
I like that colour too. It's subtle, but it's... Alright, okay. So, is it a Windsor?
Yeah, yep. It's had all the towers, sculpts and that,
Yeah.
got an independent front end and like an RRS, all suspension all through it.
Wow, good on you, mate. Whoever owns this, good on you. This is awesome.
Yeah.
Now, the camera's going to be hard to pick up exactly what this... But, so this is somebody's...
It was built in 47 by a guy starting an aeroplane manufacturing plant in Mackay.
Right,
It never got finished. It's got the cockpits off a Hurricane plane.
right.
So it's got bulletproof glass in the front of it. It's like 2 inches.
That's
It's
fantastic.
on a 1940 Chev truck platform. So it's got all Chevy 6-cylinder running gear.
Are you going to keep that or put
Yeah,
something?
I bought it a few years ago. It'll probably end up being my retirement plan. I've got that many. I don't know when I'll get to it. But yeah.
Yeah. Still very cool. Look at the front of that.
Yeah.
That's like that. You can't tell whether it's backwards or forwards, can you? It's like...
Set the wings on the back.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's a strange design, but it's absolutely
It
fantastic.
draws a lot of attention.
Oh, it's going to be unreal, mate.
Yeah. The Alpha came in here, absolutely rusted out. We've put new
As they do.
Every panel on this car is new aprons, quarter panels, everything except the roof.
They were notorious for that, weren't they?
And nothing fits, so they make it.
Nothing fits.
The 29 Essex Coupe.
Oh, okay, it's different.
Yep. So we haven't got onto that yet.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
They're in good shape.
Yeah. 35 Tuggerah.
Yeah, this is beautiful. That's really nice.
Model 8 four-door sedan here. This is one we built from the ground up. Like it was all timber framed. We had to steel it out.
Okay.
So yeah, it's just
Looks great. Looks good in that. What's that colour? That's like a bronze.
It's a high-end white colour. I can't remember. Looks cool.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
Different too.
Yeah.
It's not red or black.
Yeah.
What is hiding over there? We've got a Chevy wagon.
Yep.
57, is it?
57.
That's bloody cool, isn't it?
Scott Fleming, Red Doctor Motorsport, he owns it.
Okay.
So it's got an LS in it. It's had body off chassis. It looks gruddy and patoomed, but it's actually a mint car.
Yeah, it's straight, isn't it?
So
Except for that bit.
Yeah, we painted over all them there.
Yeah, it's good though, I like it.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Good on you, Mr. Fleming. It's going to be awesome.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Is it a Holden front end, is it? Or?
No, it's
So that's
all,
it? That's all.
57 Chevy.
It looks great though, doesn't it?
Brakes and stuff on it.
Just all tidied up. Yeah. Unreal. Oh yeah, she's going to stop her right, isn't it? God. Well done. Well, you got a great setup here, Brad. Good on you, mate. Thanks for showing us around. That's
No, not a problem.
it's ideal.
Yeah.
Good on you. Thanks to meeting you, mate. 31 Rose. G'day, mate. How you going? All right. Can I film your car? Yeah. Fantastic. What's your name, mate?
Laurie.
Good on you. I'm Brom from Chrome Bumper Magazine, mate. How cool's this? 31 model Ford. It's got a little Windsor motor in there, have you, mate?
Little Windsor motor, yeah.
Fantastic. Jeez, it looks good. Good on you, buddy. Do you normally not run bonnet sides, or
Sorry?
you normally not run bonnet sides, or is it just?
No, I do run bonnet sides.
Yeah, because you got the clips there, so I figured you
I don't
must.
know why the bonnet sides aren't on, but they're not.
You still own them, right? You still own them.
Yeah, no, they're there. I took them off the other week to clean something and didn't put them back on. So.
Looks good in red, mate. It's like a Ferrari red, isn't it? It's fantastic. Dog dick red. Fantastic. Good on you, mate. Thank you very much for that.
Oh my god!
We're going to the secret shop, whatever the fuck that is. Let's go and have a look.
That's where the real magic happens.
Oh, the real magic hut. They're a good bunch, mate.
Yeah. They are.
Oh, yeah?
Jack rents this little shed off me and Jordan,
Oh.
and they do their own work after hours.
That's like the colour I did my Mustang. Little, is that? That's like Formula Blue. Is it?
Ford colour.
Right.
Is it
beautiful, mate.
Grabber blue?
Oh, it's a grabber blue. It's a Mustang colour. Well done, mate. Looks good. Is it HZ, is it?
Yeah.
See, I know my Holdens.
I only just got it painted on the weekend, so it's still chucking it together. And
Looks great, mate. Well done. Is this yours?
yeah.
Yeah, cool. You running anything special in there? Or?
Nah, just a blue motor.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. They were pretty good in their day, that's for sure. Well, that was the garage tour of Cool As Hot Rods with Brad Power. Fantastic. Thanks for letting us do that, mate. That was absolutely brilliant. Loved all the cars. You've got plenty in there. Geez, you got a lot of work on. And your work is brilliant. Trimming as well. That's fantastic to have that in one-stop shop sort of thing. Anyway, guys, thanks for that. Please like, share and subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you again.